So traders, while most people, including myself, focus a lot on the US market, there is one country that is sort of hometown to me that is not only doing really well, but this index, this country, the stock market is about to make an all-time new high. So while the US is still struggling, are we going to break to new highs? Are we not? So on and so forth with the Nasdaq and the S&P. This one country is about to make an all-time new high and is looking really, really, really strong. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So I want to share this one market with you, with this here. But before I do start, guys, today, guys, I'm giving away 3 free gifts. See that trading course you get there? See that trading course there? You're going to get that. I'm also showing you the replay of a training that I did recently, walking you through my #1 trading system. And also today, I'm actually allowing you to actually book a coaching call with me for free so I can build your own custom trading plan. But I'm running that today, guys. So the very first thing in the description, click on that. Go over there, register, and you're going to get a personal coaching call with me to build your custom trading plan. You're going to get a free trading course, and also I'm going to show you the replay of the training that I did recently, walk you through all the details to my #1 trading system. But it's for today, guys, only. And yeah, because after today, you won't be able to get the booking for me to actually talk with you one-on-one to build your own custom trading plan for you. Link in the description, guys. So look at this here. Check this out. So what market is this? This is the good old what market? This is the good old Aussie market. The Australian market, okay? The Australian market. And this market here, and let me see if I can add this. Let's add this to up here. All right, so I'm just going to add this to there. All right, so this is the XJO, right? This is XJO is the Aussie market. And the Aussie market is super powerful, strong right now, okay? Now, obviously, the home ground for me, which is the Aussie market, it's super, super, super powerful right now. Now, we have a bit of a short-term technical analysis, as you guys know, right? And anyone that's trading any market out there, this is the reason why, guys, what you're seeing here with the Aussie market right now, a bit of a short-term technical analysis, is that we can see when the market goes up a lot, we get pullbacks. The market's gone up a lot, so what are we expecting? At least a pullback before we do that, okay, guys? So do not be going, oh my goodness, let's go to the Aussie market and buy the market right now. No, we're actually due for a pullback, but then we're probably going to get one of these, just a stair step, and away we go again, okay? So just a bit of a caveat there, okay, before you guys go, oh my goodness, it's taking off like a rocket, let's get in. No. I'm actually looking for a short-term 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart shorting opportunity on this market right now. But anyway, the purpose of me telling you this is because look what is happening with this market here, okay? We are continuing to go sideways, okay? We continue to go sideways, but we're now stepping up and we're almost at all-time new highs. But where if we go look at, say, the S&P 500 here, all-time new high up here. Now, S&P 500 could be actually continuing to go up there, okay? But look where the XJO is, right? It is absolutely powering. Now, for me personally, okay? The main markets, the main sort of stocks that I've been focusing on have been the mining sector for long-term buy and hold. I believe the movement over the next, from now through to the end of this decade is going to be absolutely incredible and tremendous moves looking at the markets, right? So when we're doing that, when we're looking at these markets here, we can see, if I look at some of the big main Aussie companies, the big main Aussie mining companies. Now, by the way, guys, we are Australia, we are a very big mining resource country, okay? We're a very big mining resource. Why do I mention that to you? Well, firstly, if we have a look at things like BHP is one of the biggest mining companies here in Australia. It has already made an all-time new high. So while big companies like Barrick Gold, if I bring up Barrick Gold, which is a US company, okay, let's go to stocks. Okay, so Barrick Gold, look at Barrick Gold is all the way down here. All the way down there, right? And look, this is over the last sort of 5 years. But if I go back to BHP, which is what in a BHP, I'm looking at the BHP stock in Australia, that is, look what is actually happening here, right? Look at this here. we are not only are we at a new high, but we're at an all-time new high for this one particular company, right? BHP in Australia. Now, as I said before, Australia is a very mining resource company. And again, and this probably the second largest company here in Australia when it comes to mining is Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto, through here as well too. Look at Rio Tinto, right? Rio Tinto is almost at its all-time new high as well too, right? So very, 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 very strong here. Now, why do I bring this up here? Because one, we are about to enter a phase. When I say we're about to, not tomorrow, but as the next few years roll on, we're going to continue building into the next mining boom phase. The reason why I say that is because I honestly believe that Australia is probably going to be a really, 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 really good place to be looking at for investments because of the Australian dollar, because also looking at the mining boom and so on and so forth. Australia is likely to do much better, I believe, than America over the next say 7 to 10 years. Overall, because I believe, and what I just said just from there. So this is actually something that I've been watching and been looking at carefully for myself. And again, this is Rio Tinto here, and you can see where we're at right now. But if I go back to the XJO, you can see here once again, guys, we've had a very, very, very big move up. But I believe, guys, if you're looking for places to invest or looking for places, I honestly believe Australia is probably going to be starting to be one of those places that could produce some really, really, really good opportunities for you to take advantage of that next boom. Now, I must admit, I'm not in the Australian market myself. I actually haven't been trading. I haven't been trading the Australian market for a long time. Most of my trading is actually done with the US market, but lately I've been focusing, keep an eye on the Australian market. And I'm noticing that, oh my goodness, there's actually some really good opportunities here in my hometown again. And the reason why I went to the US market is because of the amount of opportunities, but also the liquidity as well too within that. So this is something that I really wanted to share with you guys from looking at this here. And I really do believe that we're so focused on the US market, but this one country, which is Australia, is I believe is going to power ahead, as in stock market valuations and increases and so on and so forth, moving forward. Because again, look where the US stock market is right now, and look where the Australian market is. We're at all-time new highs, and I think it's just going to get better and better and better, along with that next mining boom that I see coming.